Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my shower head that I plan to use for my sink in order to wash my natural hair. So here's the box that it came in. I bought it off of Amazon, and it has a spray attachment. So let's go ahead and open it up. Not bad to open. It came with this right here. Let's see, faucet shower set installation. People also use this to clean their pets too, so I might use it for that. In the sink. There. Here's the tubing it comes with. Okay, and then shower head. So my hope with this was that I'll have less mess when I'm washing my hair, since I do plan to film my wash day videos in the sink and not the shower. So I thought this was small enough to use, and hopefully it's not too much water pressure. I plan to use the lightest pressure possible since I have my hair in braids and plan to wash my hair in braids. But here is the shower head. And it comes with 3 different settings, which we'll get into later. 1, 2, 3. It has a stop button right here. Okay, so let's see. Not sure what this is, but maybe I can attach it. Oh yeah, to my wall near my sink, so that it's right there and readily available. It would be nice if it came with a water filter, but that, not sure what this is. This as well. Oops. And this attachment. So now I'm just going to use my pliers to take off the aerator. I should be able to use my fingers to remove the rest. So here's the aerator that I just removed. Alright, so now that the aerator has been removed, I'm going to take the thread adapter and attach it to, or replace this. And just using my fingers to tighten it. I mean, it's pretty. Oh, you really have to get in there and tighten it. Kind of want to use the pliers again. Okay. Good. So, all right, so we're gonna make sure the lever is facing the back, so towards the sink, and then attach this to the thread adapter. Again, I'm gonna use my fingers in order to tighten it. Until it is secure. All right, it is. All right, so here we have the tubing. And what I'm gonna do is remove the safety cap off. Oop, just like that. And put that right back on there. It fell off. So yeah, this is how it looks. And then what I'm going to do is attach it to this side opening over here and screw it on. And I'll get a view for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to remove the cap that protects the threading really quickly. You see that right there. Remove this safety cap. Looks like insert and turn until it is secure. And it is. We can go ahead and test out the device. So there's the stop button here. And then when I'm ready to use it, I just press. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I'm probably going to use this one for my hair. And then we can go ahead and take it off, just like that. And then I'm going to just, So I have two options. I can still use this. I just have to turn the lever. And I can always use this piece. Like that. Okay, so next we just need somewhere to put this. So let's transition to setting up this piece, the mount. So I'm just gonna clean off the mirror before I put the mount on. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the adhesive. I think I wanted it like right here. Looks good. So let's see if it actually adheres well. Perfect. Good to go. It looks great.